In the digital world, it's really important to make your online writing clear and effective. I've spoken about this a lot in previous videos, so you can tell how important I think this is. So this means no spelling errors and no grammar errors and definitely no punctuation errors when you're writing. But let's face it, how many of us really remember everything we learned back in our grammar classes in probably elementary school? I don't, so when I found this tool online, I was really happy and it's greatly helped improve my writing skills. So if you're writing more than 200 words per day, which I'm assuming we all are given the amount of email communication we're doing, then you are going to love this new tool, which is going to be your new writing assistant. My name is Lindsay from Smartify My Biz, and this is your tech tip this week. Grammarly is a free writing assistant that, you guessed it, you can install as an extension on Google Chrome. It's amazing because it actually checks grammatical errors, spelling errors, incorrect punctuation, and misused words. So what's great about it is that it actually will check your words in G Suite and your Microsoft Office docs, as well as your emails. So let's take a look at this blog post that I wrote up in Google Docs, and you'll see all of these red errors here. So it'll come in here and it shows me specifically, oh, I should add a comma. And maybe I should capitalize this, and I should capitalize this, and a comma would be better here. So that's pretty great. You come in and it easily will tell you why and what you should be doing. Now down here, it will show me everything that I actually need to change. So it'll say, change this verb form for add, and it'll tell me like what I should do. It doesn't agree with the subject, consider changing it. So that's what's really great about this. Now, if I look at this menu up here, what it's telling me is anything in red, so all of these, is telling me to correct something. Anything in blue is all about clarity. So it takes me here and it says, do I really need that? Let's go ahead and remove it. So that's how Grammarly works in Google Docs. So you might be thinking, well, Google and Word already have spell check installed, so why would I use this? Well, Grammarly uses a unique artificial intelligence feature that actually picks up advanced errors. So most standard grammar connectors miss even basic grammar and spelling errors, but Grammarly's online grammar checker actually scans all of your text for all sorts of mistakes, typos, sentence structure problems, and beyond, which is what I showed you previously. So Grammarly boasts to be a comprehensive writing tool that helps you write clear and flawless text that will impress your readers. I love it because it actually helps build my writing skills because it fixes sentence structure problems, misused words, typos, and more. So if we come over here into the app, you can have a look at their demo document, and it will show you everything that I just showed you in the Google Docs. So you could take a Word document and upload it here, and it would help you check it and tell you everything that you need in a bigger space. Now, if you are a business owner and you'd like to have business style guides, you also have that option of Grammarly for Business. So you could put a company dictionary in, you could have brand, voice, and tone, custom rules, plus reporting and statistics. Now, if you're writing a book or you spend a lot of time probably writing 20,000 words or more all the time, which would be writing a book or an ebook or essays, or maybe you work in education or you publish papers, you might want to look at their premium feature. So their premium feature actually will give you vocabulary enhancements, clarity and conciseness, will actually look for plagiarism, and it'll even look for inappropriate tones and helps you adjust the tone of your writing. Now, on that note, I'd like to show you what it does if you install it in your email. So in my email, here's a test email so we could see how we actually use Grammarly. So I'm writing a quick email. This is a test, and in this email, we'll cover 3 things. So because I have Grammarly installed, what it does is it actually puts this little toolbar down here, and it tells me how my text sounds. So it tells me if I'm being forceful or friendly, or just basically tells you how your text sounds so we can determine if that's the right tone of the email that I want to portray. And you can see in here, it automatically helps me change what I need to change. So this was just a quick video to explore Grammarly and show you some of its features. I highly recommend that you download it for your Chrome. It becomes an extension up here, and you can put it on all of your Chrome browsers browsers and have one account for it. So that's really, really handy. Now, if you like this video, please make sure that you like it, share it, or leave a comment. I would love to know if you start to use this tool and if you find it really helpful, because when I discovered, I thought it was one of the best things since I left any sort of writing classes in high school and college. And as always, make sure that you hit that subscribe button up there to be notified anytime we release a new video. Hope you have a good one, guys, and we'll see you next week.